Student, this is class 9 advancements exercise 2.1. The first question, fill in the blanks with the help of truth table. As you can see in the video, there are few functions are given here, and some values of p and q also being given here. And look here, for the value of p, TTFF, which means true, true, false, false, and for the value of Q, TFTF, which means true, false, true, false. These two values are given here. We have to find out the conjunction, disjunction, negation, and one after another we are going to solve this question. And this is the first question of 2.1 exercise 1. So student, as already I said in my last video that before solving in this one we have to learn the table, and we to memorize the tables and formulas. Now let's have a look how to solve this question. Now student, look, the first experiment is p disjunction q. Now look how to solve this one. Look student, that TTFF and TFTF, which means true false and true true false false, these two are the statements of p and q given here. Now look, depending on these two statements we have to solve the p disjunction q. Now look how to solve this one. Look student, true true means true in case of disjunction, true false is true, false true is true, and false false false. Now depending on this table I will solve that first experiment, that p disjunction q. So first one, there is true and there is also true, then false true is also true in case of disjunction, and false false is false. This first one is over. Now this is conjunction. Now look how to solve this conjunction depending on these two statement only. Look, this is conjunction p and q, true true false false and true false true false. This is the given condition given here, means statement. Now depending on p conjunction q, so true false, first one is true true true, then true false false, false true false, false false false. Now look how to solve this portion, and depending on this table we are going to solve the p conjunction q. Now first one is here, true true true. Now true false, there is false, false true false, false false, you know uh, false. This is disjunction, this is conjunction. Now look student, this symbol is indicate that negation means not. So p disjunction q, p disjunction q but negation. So what is the value of p disjunction q? First one is true is here, negation true means not true means here false. Again here p disjunction q but negation if it is there true, now negation means not true means false. Again here disjunction not true means false, and not false means true. These three experiment over. Now looking for the next one. Here the conjunction between negation p and q. Now how to solve this part? Look student, value of p, that true then false. Now negation p, which means not true means false, not true means false, not false means true, not false means true. This is the negation p. Now depending the value of q is given as in the given the statement that t f t f, this is given, this I have now find out, and this is given in the question. Now we need to find out that the value of negation p, and this is conjunction and q. We need to find out this one, negation p conjunction q. Now look student, here in the conjunction false and true. Now student, don't confuse, This is the statement of P, and we have find out the negation P, and Q statement also given here. Now we need to find out the conjunction of negation P and Q. Need to find out the conjunction of negation P and Q. Now look here, false and true. Between these two statements, we need to find out the conjunction false and true, which means false, true, false in the conjunction. Again, false, false, false in the conjunction. True, true, true is in the conjunction. Now, true, false, false in the conjunction. So we'll just put down this value there only. Now look, we'll just put down the value which I have done here now. So ff, then tf. Now look student, the next one is negation P, disjunction negation Q. So we have to find out negation P and negation Q, then we'll find out the disjunction between these two. Now look student, how to solve this one. Now look student, this is the statement of P and Q. We'll find out first negation P and negation Q, then we'll find out negation P disjunction Q. Now look student, how to solve this one. Negation P means not P, so look here, all this statement it becomes not, which means true. Negation P means not true, not true means false. Here is true, not true means false. There is false means not false means true. False, not false means true. And this is negation Q, which means not true means false. Now not false means true, not true means false, not false means true. Now we'll find out these two in the disjunction, not these two. In the last experiment, these two we have to find out in disjunction. Now look here student, how to solve this. Here P disjunction Q. Now how to solve this one, look. In the disjunction table, false false is false. In the disjunction table, I repeat again, false false is false. Now false true is true. True false is true. True true is true. This is happens into the disjunction table. Now look, this value will directly put down there. False, then true, true, true. This is the answer of first question, exercise 2.1. Now look student, this is the second question of exercise 2.1, class 9 advancements. Question number 1b. P and Q are the statements given here. First statement is true true false false in case of P, and second one is true false in case of Q. We have to find out the negation. Negation P. Negation P means not P. Look here, not true means false, not true means false, not false means true, not false means true. This is negation Q. Negation Q means not. Not true means false, not false means true, not true means false, not false means true. Now next one, we need to find out the conjunction between P and not Q, which means between P, which means this statement, P, and not Q, which means this statement. We need to find out the conjunction between this one and this one. Now look student, P and not Q. P conjunction not Q. Now look, this is the statement of P and this is not Q, which means true false. Not this one, true false. P and not Q conjunction, true false. So if it is true false, which means false in conjunction, true and true, which means true in conjunction, false and false, which means false in conjunction, false and true, which means false in conjunction. So next question student, we have to remember that next one is negation P, implication Q. This symbol is implication. So negation P implication Q, we need to find out this one. Before that, we'll find out the uh, P and Q implication. After that, we'll find out negation. So this is the value of P and Q, and depending on the table of amplification, we'll find out the P and Q amplification after the negation. Now look student, how to solve this one. Look student, this is a table of amplification, and true true false false, true false true false. This is the value of the statement of P and Q given. Need to find out the implication first. True true is true, true false false, false true true, false false true in the amplification. Now look how to solve this part first, and then we'll find out the negation of amplification. As you can see in the question that we need to find out P amplification Q negation. Now look student, how to solve this one. Now student look, PQ, and this is the amplification. True true true, true false false, false true true, and false false true. This is the P amplification Q. Now we need to find out the negation of P amplification Q, negation of, which means whatever is the value here, this is totally become not, which means amplification. Now look, not P amplification Q, which means this P not, T not, which means not true means false, not false means true, not true means false, not true means false. This is the negation of P amplification Q. We'll put down the value directly there. First one is false, then true, then false, then false. Now last one student, we need to find out that not P, negation P, implication negation Q. So student, before finding this one, we need to write down the formula of PQ, then P negation Q negation already there. So student, I can also do directly the implication portion with the help of these two only, because in the question negation P amplification negation Q is there. So if I put down this formula only directly with the help of the negation implication table, will be easier. Now look, in the implication table, false false is true, so false false here we'll write down true. Now false true is true, so we'll write down here true. Next one, true false is also true, sorry, true false is false, we'll write down here false in the amplification, and true true is true. So this is over. Now the second question 1b is also over. In this way we can find out the fill in the blanks or the tables with the help of the negation, amplification, conjunction, disjunction, and biconditional. These 5 tables are there. Depending on these 5 tables, we can solve such kind of problems very easily. Student, this is a question of exercise 2.1, question number 1c, and there are total 4 statements given for P and Q: true true, false false, true false, true false. Students, in the question, if these statements are given in the during the examination, will be easy, but if it is not given, then remember that this statement true false will be this one only as given in the book. If it is not given in the question, then also okay. Now this is the P amplification Q. So look here, true true is true, then true false is false, then false true is true, then false false is also true. This is the P amplification Q. Now after that we need to find out that P conjunction this value. I repeat again, P conjunction this value. Repeat again, P means this whole value, conjunction this whole value, which means P amplification Q. Now look student, how to solve this value is very easy actually, depending on the table only. So P and amplification these P and conjunction this value. So let's start now. Now look student, P conjunction P amplification Q. Now look student, here is the value, we need to find out the conjunction, so definitely we will follow the conjunction table only. Now T and T in conjunction, TT means T. Now TF, we'll take these two table only. TF means F in conjunction. Now FT means F in conjunction. FT means here also FT means F in conjunction. So this one is over. Now student, look, we need to find out now this value and amplification Q only. I repeat again, we'll take this table now, this table and Q for the implication of this one. Look, P conjunction P implication Q, this whole implication Q, which means this whole table implication Q only. Now look how to solve this one. We'll follow the implication table only. Look here now, true and true implication. True and true means true. Now false and false implication means true again. Now false and true means true again. Now false and false, which means true again. I repeat again, true and true implication, which means true. False and false implication, which means true. False and true implication T, and false and false implication true. So this is our 1C is over of exercise 2.1.